So today is a new day and we are going to see if the patch that we did on the pool worked. As we can see, we don't see any obvious pooling or puddling. The sand is dried up in clumps because it was obviously muddy previously. So let's look under the pool.
Waterweld. Can you only imagine what that would be for? My mission.
So we have a leak. Yes. So we don't know exactly where the leak is because we haven't been inside yet. But as you can tell, the water keeps on coming out. See?
I'm going inside. Peace.
All of this is water that has drained from the pool.
I won't touch it. There could be some.
So we have to figure out where it is.
Ready?
You going first?
No, you.
You! You're the man.
You're the man.
You're the man. Hold this then.
Where's your goggles, there, man? You need your
guys.
goggles so you can help find the hole?
This is Waterweld, and I gotta take it out of its container. It doesn't give us supplying instructions.
Yes, it does, right here.
Oh, heck no! That's a lot
I have
of
to get in because it's getting dark.
Right here, you guys. He doesn't know how to
No, it
read.
tells you like safety.
It says peel here.
Should I get in?
If you want. You gotta go all the way down.
Hey, float.
It's somewhere there. Check the seams. Maybe it's one of the seams I got.
Bugs! Well, the friend that I've been waiting for is finally
Nothing yet? It's on right here.
I'll be right back.
No. More this way. Nothing yet?
I can't tell. Yeah, I got it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Where my finger was? Yeah, I think.
Alright.
So, let me get this open.
Alright, so she's gonna open that. Here comes Savage Mouse, also known as J-Man Kid Vids. Is it? I can't see.
So you think this is
But it
enough?
can.
Did you roll it around in your hand?
So it changes color. Kneading the clay. Kneading the water bloody, what was it? Waterweld. So.
I want to hold it.
It smells funky. You want to hold this?
Okay.
Cool. Alrighty, we're gonna go back down.
So they're going down, and Jeremiah is helping to hold him down because he floats up. So do I. Because when I move the water, more water forms. Look.
It stopped leaking as much, or is it still coming out a lot? We're getting good.
It's still leaking a lot.
I have to go.
It's still leaking.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna look for the crack.
Watch, I'm gonna show you guys what the actual hole is. So we were wrong the first time. Clean your goggles out because they're all foggy. And then I'll show you exactly. I put my finger on it. I like put it next to it, and I hope you guys can see. I hope the camera's not good.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Go.
Ready? You wanna go down so I can show you? Ready? He's doing water aerobics.
What was that?
Let's take turns.
Hold on.
Take it, check it. We need to do like a breast.
Alright guys, so let's check it. Let's check their work. So I kind of tried to clear it.
Huh?
Thanks a lot. It just splashed me.
Sorry, what is it?
I kind of tried to clear the water, so let's check it and see if more water has pooled. Hey! They keep splashing me. Alright, so looks like it might have worked.
Huh?
I don't see any water.
Yeah.
So now before we replace the sand that we had there, we're gonna see if it'll completely dry. That way, make sure we got it for real. You guys got it! Our water level has been going down a lot. We were wondering why. Corey said that it was due to evaporation. But it was well below the line that we filled in on the filter. Couldn't lose that much to evaporation from 1 to 2 days. So then he came out here earlier and he found all this blood. Go down and push where the hole is so I can see where it is exactly. No, but I have my hand here, like push on it, and then I can see if I can feel you pushing. Oh.
Get my towel ready.
Okay.
Mom, get my towel ready.
Okay, hold on. Alright guys. It seems like it is dry, you guys. Do you see under there? I believe it worked. Yay! I hope you all found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you all to patch holes in your future. We've already patched about 4 holes using this method. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for notifications so you can catch any new videos. Bye!